Good Christians now rejoice with heart and soul and voice. Give heed to what we say. Jesus Christ was born today. Ox and ass before him bow, and he is in the manger now. Christ is born today. Christ is born today. Good Christian friends rejoice with heart and soul and voice. Now ye hear of endless bliss. Jesus Christ was born for this. He has opened heaven's door, and we are blessed forevermore. Christ was born for this. Christ was born for this. Good Christians now rejoice with heart and soul and voice. Now ye need not fear the grave. Jesus Christ was born to save. Calls you on and calls you all to gain his everlasting hall. Christ was born to save. Christ was born to save. Christ is born today. Christ is born today. Christ was born for this. Christ was born.